Yes. So, we have completed this. That is royalty account data, short workings account data, landlord account. Why we have taken like this? Because it is less than the minimum rent, right? So, as this 90,000 is less than the minimum rent. So, the royalty is, as royalty is less than the minimum rent. So, this element is applicable. That is royalty account data, short workings account to landlord account that we have recorded here. Okay, that is 90, 10, and 1 lakh over. Then next, what is the next
Landlord
entry?
account.
Payment entry, right? Okay, so what is the entry that I have to take?
Landlord account data
Hmm.
to royalty account.
No. Royal to bank account.
Oh, to bank account. Sorry.
Yes. Landlord account data to bank account. So that is what we have to write. See, look into it. Landlord for the payment entry, landlord account data to bank account. So bank account is a giver, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, amount is how much?
1 lakh, 1 lakh.
Yeah, 1 lakh. And here also it is 1 lakh. Okay. Then after the payment entry, what is the next entry that I have to record it?
Transfer entry.
Yes, transfer entry. So here, when we are transferring an entry, that you have to careful, it should be P&L account. Okay, not the production account. Why it is so? Why we have to record it as P&L account, not the production?
We have to see in the question, ma'am.
Okay, see, look at this. Why it is P&L account, not the production account? See, one thing you people have to remember is that, one second, number of logs sold. See, it is not manufactured. Okay. Moreover, it is not manufactured. The say, he gave the right of manufacture of and sale of the national logs of national traders. See, if it is mining, okay, for that purpose, we consider as, we consider as a production, right? But as it is, as it is selling, okay, a number of logs or based on, if it is an output, okay, if it is an output is given, you just have to consider as production account. If it is a selling, selling things that if they have given, so then it is considered to be what? Then it is considered to be P&L account. Am I clear? Output, okay. So there is a difference between output and sales. Okay, so you have to consider that. If it is output, it is production. If it is sales, then it is considered to be P&L. So as it is, yes.
Nothing, ma'am.
Yeah, the entry becomes what?
P&L.
Yes, P&L account data to royalty account. How much you are transferring in 2012? How much is the amount which you are transferring to royalty account? Sorry, P&L account.
1 lakh, 1 lakh.
No, just look into it. Royalty. Okay, so just look into the entry.
90,000.
Yes, 90,000. See, 90,000. So even here also you can just see, or else here also you can just identify. So how much you are transferring. So this is debited and this amount has to be credited here as what? To royalty account, 90,000. So after this, okay, after the entry, what is the next thing? So we'll move on to 2013 here. We'll move on to what? We'll move on to 2013. So in 2013, okay, just look into it. In 2013, okay, there is a 1,10,000 and 1 lakh is given. So is it less than the minimum rent or more than the minimum rent? Is it less than the minimum rent or more than the minimum
more
rent?
Than, ma'am. More.
It is more than the minimum rent. As it is more than the, thing. So is it condition, element 1 applies or element 2 applies? Element 2, right?
Condition 2.
Yeah, it's what? Condition 2 is this one. Without minimum rent, with minimum rent account. So that is condition 2. So element, you can just call it as element. So in condition 1, element 2, right? Yeah. Okay, when actual royalty is more than the minimum rent account. Okay, tell me, when actual royalty is more than the minimum rent account, so what is the journal entry? What is the first journal entry that we have to take? What is the first journal entry?
2 royalty account data, 2 short working account, 2 landlord account.
Yes, royalty account data, 2 short workings account and 2 landlord account. That has to be written over here. Okay, 1 second. What is that? I'll just take this, I'll just copy it. This only. Yes. So instead of debit, I'll just put as what? 2 short workings account. Am I clear? 2 landlord account and 2 short workings account. Okay. Royalty account. How much is the royalty account has to be debited? Royalty account. How much is debited? How much is debited? Hello? Guys, how much is debited? Everyone? Hello?
80,000.
Yes. This? Is it 80?
No, ma'am.
Then?
1,10,000.
This is 1,10,000. 1,10,000. So debit with 1,10,000 and credited with the 2 short workings is how much? Short workings is how much? So short workings recovered here, right?
10,000.
We have recovered a
Yes,
short
ma'am.
workings. How much we have recovered?
10,000.
Yes. So we have recovered 10,000. We have recovered 10,000 here.
10,000.
Then 2 landlord, how much we have to pay?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Yes. After this, right? After this, that is payable entry. What is the next entry?
Paid entry.
Yes, payment entry. So just copy it.
Payment entry.
Just copy
Landlord
it.
account
That is
data to
landlord account
bank
data to bank account. How much you have to pay?
1 lakh.
Yes, 1 lakh. We have to pay 1 lakh here.
1 lakh.
Yes, being royalty paid. So then after this, that is 2013, landlord account data to bank account. So which means after the payment entry, what is the next thing? What is the next entry?
P&L account, ma'am.
Yes. So that is transfer to P&L account, right? That entry has to be
Yes.
written here, right? P&L account data to royalty. Royalty has to be transferred to
Transferred.
account.
P&L account.
Yes. Right. 1 second. So that is 2013. So in 2013, as we have transferred, okay, how much we have to transfer to P&L account? How much of the royalty has to be transferred to P&L account?
90,000. No, no, ma'am.
No, in
1 lakh.
2013.
1 lakh 10,000.
Yes, 1,10,000.
10,000.
1,10,000 has to be transferred to P&L account. And then, so after this, okay, so that is after transferring the P&L account, is there any other entries? Is there any other entries in 2013? After the recovery entry, is there any other entries?
Short working.
Short workings?
Recover.
Yes, irrecovery entries are there. So as it is irrecovery entries, what is the general entry that I have to do? What is the general entry? See, instead of royalty, I have to transfer what? I have to transfer short workings here, right? So instead of royalty, I have to transfer what? Short workings.
Short work
Yes.
recovered. Recovered.
Yes, yes. But here I cannot write. I have to write only short workings only. But here, being short workings irrecovered. And transfer to P&L account.
P&L account.
That's what you have to do, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done. Okay. So how much is the recovery amount?
10,000, 10,000.
10,000 and 10,000. 10,000 and 10,000. So after this, okay, after this, is there any other entries in 2013? Is there any other entries in 2013?
No, ma'am.
No. Then what is the next thing that we have to do?
2014.
Yes. Royalty is less than the minimum rent or more than the minimum rent?
More than the minimum rent.
So more than the minimum.
Royalty account data to short working account to landlord account.
Yes. The first entry is royalty account data to short workings account and to landlord account. Correct entry. So that is 2014. 2014 royalty account data to short workings account to landlord account. So like here, in this,
1,80,000.
yes. So royalty is how much?
1,80,000.
1,80,000. Then
Landlord short working is 80,000.
10,000. 10,000.
10,000.
Yes.
One
Short
lakh
working is
70,000.
10,000
Landlord.
and landlord is?
1,70,000.
Yes, 1,70,000. So this is what is royalty payable and short workings recovered. Am I clear? So here in 2014, we are recovering what? We are recovering the short workings and it is payable. Am I clear? Then again in 2014, what is the next?
Payment entry, no ma'am.
Payment entry. Yes. So what is the
Not
payment
payable
entry?
entry. Payment entry is landlord account data to bank account.
To bank account. Very good. Only one person is speaking. What about others? Come on, speak up. Speak up, guys. Only Daniel is speaking. About others?
170, 170.
Harish 1B08. Who is this? Because I didn't
Lata.
see. Huh?
Ma'am, this is Lata.
Oh, Lata. Okay, Lata. Yeah, landlord account data to bank
Actually,
account.
I logged in with my brother ID, ma'am.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so landlord account data to bank account. So how much I have to pay to this
170,
landlord?
170.
How much I have to pay?
170. 170, 170, ma'am.
Yes. 1,70,000, 1,70,000. One lakh 70,000 and 1,70,000. Then the next one. So that is 2014. Payment entry over. After the payment entry, what is the next entry?
Transfer entry, ma'am.
Yes. So that is transfer entry. P&L
P&L
account data to royalty account.
account.
How much you are transferring?
1,70,000.
1 lakh?
No, ma'am. 1,80,000.
Yes. 1,80,000 you are transferring. 1,80,000 you are transferring. So like completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, 2011 over,
Short work.
2012 over, 2013 and 14 also over. See, all the years of output of journal entry that we have completed. see here they have told you to prepare the royalty account, short workings account, landlord, not the journal entries. But they have told you to prepare what? Journal
But we
entry.
have to prepare journal entries, then only, no, ma'am, we can prepare
Yes,
that.
yes. After
Okay.
preparing a journal entries only, we have to, we can able to write the ledger accounts. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for us, right? So we may
Okay.
miss out the things. So it's better to write what? It's better to write the entries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Once again.
Had your breakfast, ma'am?
Yeah. Had you
No, ma'am.
not it?
No, ma'am.
Why? What happened?
I was waiting for
Daniel?
class.
Not prepared.
No, ma'am, it is.
It is, but you have a continuous classes. For that, you are not having.
Mm.
Is that so?
No, ma'am.
Then should have, because how can you increase the immunity power, right? So okay,
And
everyone took a vaccine. Daniel
No,
took a
ma'am.
vaccine.
No.
No. Lata, Kishan, Rashvi, Rohil, Sagar, Vimal, Yashwant. You have completed 18, right?
Absent, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you could have taken, right? Okay, so in
Ma'am, I got to know the person who's taking the vaccine will be like shivering for 3 days.
no,
Is that
yesterday I
so,
have
ma'am?
taken, no, Daniela, yesterday I have taken,
One of my college mate.
okay, so
Which
if they
college mate?
have, no, if they have a weak,
Just told me.
yeah, if they have a weakness, then they're going to suffer. Otherwise, it's not. So only hand is paining, that's it.
Okay. You could take rest, no, ma'am.
Sorry?
You could.
Okay. Okay. So we're going to start. Okay. So please take up a vaccine and build immunity power. Am I clear? Yeah. So we have completed this, and then we'll move on to ledger account. So the first ledger we're going to follow is the royalty account. Okay. So in royalty account, okay. So just look into it. Everyone, please speak up. Only a few members are there. Come on, everyone participate. Okay. So in 2011, what is the first journal entry that we have?
Royalty account data.
Yes, royalty account data, short workings account data, two landlord accounts. So royalty account debited or credited?
Debited.
Yes, debited with how much?
80.
So debit side, so you just have to write 80,000. So what is the opposite
landlord.
entry?
Two landlord account.
Yes. Two landlord accounts. Yes, two landlord account. That is 2011. Right?
2011.
Okay, next. In the next one, yes, in the next one, is there any other entries in 2011
No,
with related to royalty?
By P&L account.
Yes. By P&L
80.
account,
80.
how much? How much we have?
80,000.
Yes. Oh, 1 second. 80,000, right?
2011.
2011. So as there is no any other entries in 2011, so let's close it, right? So let's close it by writing what? The total amount as what? As a 80,000.
80,000.
Next is 2012, right? Okay.
Yes.
So in 2012, you just look into it.
Okay.
What is the first entry that we will come across?
Royalty account data.
Sorry?
Royalty account data.
Come up, I'm not getting.
Royalty account data, ma'am.
Yeah, royalty account data, yes, royalty account data, short workings account data, to landlord account. Royalty account has been
To
debited by
landlord
how much?
account 90,000.
90,000. So I'm taking the same one, that is to landlord, right? Okay. How much?
90.
90,000, good. Then next one is 2012. Okay, so what is the next entry that I have to take?
Next entry P&L account, ma'am.
Next entry is P&L account.
By
Yes.
P&L account
Yes, by P&L
Nine-
account.
90,000.
By P&L account, how much?
90,000.
90,000. So you can just look into the, see, you can just look in by P&L account data to royalty account 90,000, 90,000 that you are recording in 2012. So as there is no such entries, okay, related to what? Related to royalty, just close it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Fine.
one second. Yes, just close it with what? 90,000 and
90,000.
90,000 here. Am I clear? Okay, then next one. After this, again in 2013. Am I clear? So we'll move on to 2013 here. So just look into the journal entry. Is it debited or credited?
Debited.
Debited, right? So debited with how much?
110,000.
Yeah, 1,10,000. But corresponding credits are?
2 short workings to landlord account.
Yes, 2 short workings and 2 landlord account. Both are given?
10,000, 1 lakh.
Yes. 2 short workings, 10,000. 10,000 and landlord is 1 lakh. Yes,
Yes.
over. Then what is the opposite entry? What is the next entry that we have to take? See, in 2013. Okay, is there any other entries?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, P&L account, ma'am.
Yes. P&L account data to royalty account. P&L account data to royalty account. Just take this, right? Just take this here. You just write it as 2013. Am I clear? So how much will you going to transfer?
1,10,000.
Yes.
10,000.
We're going to write it as 1,10,000. Okay. So total is?
110,000.
Yes, total is 1,10,000. So again, you write it as 1,10,000. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. So in 2014, okay, same 2014. So in 2014, what is the next entry that I have to take?
2 short workings.
Yes,
to
2
landlord
short
account.
workings and 2 landlord account, right? The same entry that I have to take,
Yes, ma'am.
2 short workings and 2 landlord account. How much is the short workings and how much is the
10,000.
landlord?
10,170.
Yes, 10,000 and here it is 1,70,000. Okay, here
By P&L account
is by P&L account. How much I have to transfer?
180.
180.
180.
Yes. 180. So total amount is what? Total amount is 180, 180. Am I clear?
Yes.
Clear? Okay. So still we have 7 and 6 minutes, 7 to 4 minutes we have. So let's complete one more entry, that is short workings account. So only 10 members are there, no, to take up attendance that I can take it.
Okay.
People who are attending the webinar also, they'll get the attendance, huh?
They'll get the attendance.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the next entry? Short workings account, right?
Yes, ma'am. Short working account.
Short workings account. Short workings, once again. Okay, as it is short workings account, so the first entry, that is, so let's just look into it, because we have only short working is only for 2 years. Okay, short working is for what? Short working is only for 2 years, and the rest next year it is okay. All the 4 years we have. Okay,
Yes.
all the 4 years we have to enter. That is, one is a short working is irrecovered, and 2 years is irrecovered, and 2 years are, you know, recovered. So that entry has to be taken care of first. Okay, so 2011.
11.
Okay, because short workings, is very difficult. I want everyone to come. I want everyone to come, and I'll take up that. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.